guys, good morning. We're gonna do a day of my eating, what I eat in a day. It's 11:05 right now and we're gonna eat breakfast. I don't really count calories. I mostly consider how much protein am I eating. Drink a cup of water or half a cup. You can add lemon to it, you can add your greens to it. I do that separately. I just like to drink regular water in the morning. And then half a quarter of a cup. I just do 2 of these. I like to saturate it with a lot of water. When you let it sit for like about 5 minutes, all the particles are gonna dissolve. So especially being cold water, it takes a little bit for it to dissolve. But this is it for breakfast. So the collagen has 10 grams of protein, if I'm not mistaken. This is breakfast. Hi friends, I'm going to the gym. Let's get ready. Today is glute day. Let's get this pump and rock and pump and rock. Okay. Get over here. Let's dance. Let's dance. Hi, we're back from the gym, so I'm gonna have my lunch. For lunch, I have leftovers. We're gonna do eggs. I thought of doing chicken, but we're gonna do eggs instead. And then, so 3 boiled eggs. I have that going in this pot right here with beans. I'm Ghanaian, so if I say beans, it's almost like bean stew. It's basically boiled beans, and I made it 2 days ago. Then you put red palm oil with chopped onions. You let that, do a steam for a little bit. You add tomatoes, chopped tomatoes, a bunch of them. Probably like I use about 5 chopped tomatoes. You add some spice, pepper in there, and you season it, let it cook, simmer, and then you add your boiled beans to it. So that's basically what I'm gonna have. Beans have a lot of protein, and I'm gonna fry some plantains, some ripe plantains. Let me stop yapping, and let's get to it, okay? Leftover beans in here. I made a lot. If you don't really eat beans much, don't eat a lot of it. You're gonna have diarrhea. It has a lot of fiber in there. Let's do half an egg. my chicken. So I made this pasta yesterday. They're separated for a reason, but normally I'll mix all of them together. I'm gonna have some of that with some chicken. This is it. We got pasta over here and then 3 chicken. So we're gonna end it with oysters. So these 2 and a glass of water for the night. Alright, I'm gonna finish that, and I think that's basically my day. If I'm too full, I'll go to bed without taking the protein shake. If I'm still hungry, I will drink the protein shake and I'll come on here and show that. But I should be good with how much I ate today. Alright, see you in my next video. Bye!